cute position our sleeping for babies. See? They're almost hugging. This is the mama cat and the daughter kitten. They're almost of the same size. It has gone bigger already. Born on August 29. Oh, you are not the mama cat. You are Gain. This is a rescued kitty, by the way. And this is a legitimate kitten of this house. Gain. Yan. And this is our calico male. Pound. So cute. And this is the papa cat, Strike. And this is the mama cat, Kisses.